All right. If you're watching this video, it means you got this far, right? So you went into Canvas. Hopefully you went to the announcement and you selected option B. I'm not going to get these AVID summatives done, but I do know I need credit this year. And so here we are in our Capture Credit Recovery. You can link to the assignment either right here or by clicking on the rainbow here. And it's going to walk you through a series of questions about kind of our learning for the year. So you're going to work your way through this pear deck. You resigned yourself to earning no credit in AVID, like, oh, well, it's only ninth grade. I'll figure it out later. You're not going to do the summative tasks. This is your way to give me some evidence of your learning so you can still earn credit. So you're just going to respond to each slide, and that's it. And then you're going to submit done. When you go, like when you submit this assignment, you just type the word done, and then I'll know to come to the pear deck and look for your answers. And that's all you have to do. So, all right. So it's got like a slide that asks you to circle the out of this bank, which are the two statements of inquiry that we talked about this year. And you're going to look for the key words that we've talked about all year. You can also go back and look in Canvas and just look at the statements of inquiry. So that's not cheating. I just want you to know what our two statements of inquiry were. So if you have to look them up, go do it. You're going to circle which image is related to intersectional identity. So you're just going to grab a pen or a highlighter and then actually circle on the slide the one you think describes that, because I want to know you understand what that term means. I want you to tell me 3 parts of your identity. You're going to circle the image that is a person with role power. Circle all of the systems on this slide. And this is just a way for me to see how deep is your understanding of what systems are. Tell me about one system you're part of and give me at least 2 reasons why that system does or doesn't work for you. One system that you can think of that's not equitable. It's a system that leaves people out or treats them unfairly, and give me as many details as you can. One change that has been made to a system that you've heard of that makes it more equitable. It can be anything you can think of from your own life, from history. It can be things we talked about in class. You don't have to go do research. Just tell me what you already know about one system and a change that made it more equitable, and give me as many details as you know from your own brain. If you could change one system, which one would you choose and why? So there's 3 images here that kind of remind you of 3 big systems. And then tell me if you can think of a different system that you want to change. You can talk about that and give me as many details as you can. And then your personal learning system this year, 1 is the worst, 5 is like overall, how well did your personal learning system work for you this year? And why, and you can just write the why, pick a text box, and you can actually just type underneath these numbers. You can tell me, here's why it worked or didn't work. And then after this term, what's one goal you have for yourself for term 4? And again, be as specific as you can. And then final thoughts. Want to draw a picture for me? Whatever you want to do. Anything you want to tell me about the class, about my teaching, about yourself as a student, or just draw me a picture, make me laugh at the end of the term. And that's it. Then you just, so if you do this, then you're going to go into this assignment. Let me see if I can find the right version of it. Here we go. If you go into this assignment, it says submit assignment. You're just going to go in there, and where it says comments, you type done and then click submit assignment. Oh, I'm going to fix that so it doesn't need its text entry. So you're going to click text entry, and then you're just going to type done, and then you click submit assignment, and you get, that's it. You get the confetti and the boxes and everything. And then that's instead of completing the AVID summatives. It's not a great alternative. I still recommend that you do the summatives instead, but this could help you get credit. And if it's no credit or this, do this, do it. You can do this. All right. Yay, you.